Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to resolve problem in Unreal Engine. If you look here in Cloth Simulation, we will see here we have problem in collision in this area and this area. So we will resolve this problem to be like that. Okay, now if you look for this area, look for this character, it's working very nice, okay, without any problem. Okay, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to export our garment from Marvelous Designer to meet a human character. So if you look here, make sure the thickness is 5 and make sure the distance for your garment 20, okay, or 25, because if you look here for vertex, when you increase the vertex, it will be heavy for your computer. Okay, now we can make it 25, okay, or 30 as you like. But now if you look here, look our garment, so nice. Now we can export it, so I make it 25. Make sure to go to UV editor. After that, make sure select all of them and come here to this area, make padding, okay, and apply. So now we arrange our work and we can go to 2D pattern again. We can export your work. So select all of them. After that, file, export USD, and choose USDA. Okay, after that go to desktop, okay, test Mr. GFX test 04 for example. Okay, test 04, save. Mesh material, select all pattern, don't select avatar, multi-object, sec, UV. Okay, I don't need material, include garment simulation data. So after that we can export our work. If you look for previous tutorial, we will see here we have problem here in this area. Okay, so for example, if we make simulation, we will see here, if we make a simulation here in this area, we will see here we have problem here with simulation. Look, we have here in this area and in this area, we have a lot of problem here in this area. So what we are going to do now, we need to insert new from Marvelous Designer, and we will see how can we resolve all of this problem. Now delete all of them. So we can create a new folder. Okay, add new folder, test 04, right click and physics, choose close asset. Okay, test 04. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, I am going to choose a number 1 USD, import. After that we can insert our character, test 04. Okay, wait a little bit. So now we have 2D or 3D as you like. Okay, so now we can transform. We don't need this option, transform skin width. Okay, we can choose our character, if mid underscore body. Now we need to choose width map max distance. If you look here, we have this one, width map and 2D and 3D, but I'm going to choose this one with map, and we have a previous tutorial we speak about how to make all of them. Okay, but now we need to invert. So whiteboard, it means this, it will simulate it, but we can make freeze for something, some area. For example, we can choose lasso tool here, and we can select this area. Okay, select this area. Sorry. Don't make any undo with Control Z, because it will make problem with your simulation. Okay. Now, so after that we can make the same here. We can make all of them black. Okay, so we can simulate this area. Just accept. Now we have our simulation. After that, what we are going to do now, we need to make preview for our skeletal mesh asset. Now we can choose our character female. Now if you look here, the simulation is not this body is not collided with our simulation, so we can go to step number 4 here. Sorry, step number 4, and physics asset. We can choose our character female underscore body physics. Okay, so now if you look here, now it is working very nice, but without collision. Now we can add any animation, walk for example, Miximo, and I have a lot of tutorial how to insert any animation from Miximo to Unreal Engine. In previous video you can check anyone. Miximo dance for example. Now look, we have a little bit problem here in this area. Already it is working perfect without anything. Why? Because we make collision here. Maybe we can add any another animation. Walk. Look. Sorry. We can reset this one here from here. Now if you look here, we have problem here in this area. Look. Nice. I like this kind of animation, because so we can put this one here to be in this area. We can add another animation, Miximo anim here, and look. Working very nice. Okay, but if you look here, we have problem here in this area and in this area. Maybe you can add mask for this area and hide all of them, or you can make collision for mesh. We can try collision for this mesh. Okay, so now we will play with very important part. If you miss any part from this one, it will not work. So what we are going to do now, we need to import delete element. Okay, so now we can right click, delete element. Okay, now static mesh, import static mesh, import, make sure import, select this one, deselect this one. Okay, just we need render mesh. So after that we can select which one we will choose our if you go to test 04, we will see here static mesh imported from Marvelous Designer. Now we can select this one and go again to this area and this arrow. Okay, so now we have our static mesh. After that, what we are going to do now, we need to make merge for all of them. Merge, close collision. So we can connect this one and this one. After that, connect here and connect this one. Okay, so we add just 3 nodes here in this area, but if you look here in this area, there is nothing happened. Why? But we can add collision as a body. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we need to go to the last node. Okay, drag and drop all of them here. Okay, and insert our node. Static mesh. Okay, static mesh import. So which static mesh? I want this body to be collision. So if you go to skeletal mesh asset, double click on it, we will see this body. Okay, now we can make a static mesh. So we can create any folder. Okay, static meta mesh 01. Okay, test 04, test okay, any mesh, save. So now we can close this one. Now we have our static mesh. We can insert our mesh as a collision. So after that we can transfer skin width. Which one we want to insert our character? If mid underscore body. After that we need to add selection. So which one we can add? This one, connect. Okay, so if you come here to this area, we will not see anything. Why? You need to save it, save, and go to 3D. We will see here our body in this area. We can select our collision. So now select this area and this area. After that we can accept. After that we can add collision config. Okay, config, make sure. And if you look here for this plus, we will see show all. Okay, now we can add enable kinematic asset. Okay, come here to this area. Okay, but make sure the this kinematic face we can make it kinematic faces. Okay, after that just I want to drag and drop those node to. Okay, so now we need to make merge close collection. Okay, now what we are going to do now, we need to insert this one here and connect this one here. So now this is our node, and we can go to load 01. I'm going to disconnect all of them. This one, control and click, control left click. We can go to this area and put it here and look here for merge close collection and load 0. Okay, we can connect this by this one and come to this area and make collection. Okay, we can add width here for this area. Okay, look for this self kinematic collider and friction. We can add this area here. Look, our width map max distance, width map max distance. Come here, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, so take it here, and just we can add output name here to be self collision and kinematic collider friction. Okay, save. Now if you look here, the work is working very nice. Okay, or you can add any, for example we can add any animation, dance for example, something like that. Okay, ha, so nice. Okay, I like it so much. Okay, if you have problem with thickness or something like that, maybe you can go to this area and load. Okay, and go to self collision and collision thickness. Download this one, download it from Marvelous Designer collision, and go again. Look, our work is very nice. Okay, without any problem. Now we can go to our character. Okay, and come here to this area. So after that we can go to meta-human, this character. Okay, and duplicate this character, and I'm going to remove this one. Okay, delete this one and insert my last close. So add chaos close component. So after that I'm going to add my last garment 04. Okay, test 04. Okay, if you come here we will see here close asset. Okay, I'm going to add my close. Wait a little bit, save. Okay, and come here to this area, so we can insert our character. This is new one, drag and drop.